Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch a crystal octopus in Fish It. So the crystal octopus is one of the new fish that can be found in the lava basin. And in here, I'm going to show you the specific tab you need to hit, the location where you can get this crystal octopus, and the time it's found. So the crystal octopus is one of the legendary fish inside the lava basin. This one, and it can be caught in any time and also any weather. And for the location, I get it. The first location you can go is here near the waterfall. And for the second location, I also got it while I fish at the top of this veil shard crystal. And for the rod and bait, I'm using the element rod with singularity bait. And so guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the tag.